What if the whole universe was reacting right now? Fact 1. The word chemistry comes from chemeia, ancient Egyptian for the art of transformation. Fact 2. Every second, millions of chemical reactions keep your body alive, from breathing to thinking. Fact 3. Water is weird. It expands when frozen and defies density laws. Without it, life wouldn't exist. Fact 4. The periodic table doesn't just organize elements, it predicts the properties of ones we haven't even found yet. Fact 5. Chemistry powers everything: batteries, medicine, fireworks, plastics, cooking, DNA tech, from potions to particles. Like and subscribe for more reactions that changed everything.